Sangre.
Sangres, yeah.
7K.
7K, yeah, damn. Hey, Vince, you look good, bro. It's your boy Kulikiteng Omejen Chalo. Ndeko to bimbato boto kaboy. I'm back with another video, man, to ask people how much is your outfit from the top to bottom, man. Ndeka tumanze duchecking drip zanje. Jenda hera hasi, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. You see these shoes, man. Iyi boot namwe murabizi ni inkweto irimo irabikora hano sikejeri man irimo irabikora ku isi yose zurabizambarwa na ba Diamond Platnumz, man. Hano nashizeho ibihumbi 100 by'amanyarwanda, no cap, man. Tubanze turebe kuri no big C, man. Muri kubibona ibor iri hejuru nabirenze ni 20 by'amanyarwanda. Yeah, tugende hano kuri no ball big t-shirt ni 15 by'amanyarwanda. Yeah, tugende kuri ring imwe iguzi 5,000, ebyiri ni 10,000, man. Tujye kuri no watch, ice watch, man. You see, man. Come on, man. 20 nashizo by'amanyarwanda, no cap, man. Tugende hano kuri agapfukamunwa no mbere, bro, nabirenze kabisa. Yeah, toto outfit, man. Yeah, ubwo ni 100 kuri no boot iri mu kazi, man. Izoominge fresh babanze bayibone fresh, man. Se bari kuyibona, bro, cyangwa ba lie. 100, 20, 120 gushiraho 15, 135 gushiraho zino link ebyiri, 145. Yeah, gushiraho iyi watch, ice watch, man. 135. Yeah, come on, man. Dushiraho kano gapfukamunwa, bro. Birarenze, bro. Ni 135 n'uwa mbere, ubwo ndavuga 100. Iyo niyo toto outfit yanjye 135 niyo nifunze, man. Umuhungu wa KJL. Man, mukore ibintu byinshi cyane. Subscribe kuri YouTube channel yacu Olenga TV, like nyinshi. Iyi video nyeneye ibintu by'icomment byinshi cyane bishwanyaguza. Yes sir. I'm here with
Alice.
Alice, you look good.
Thanks.
Everybody muri kamera. Alice, man, ikibazo cy'uyu munsi ni how much is your outfit, sibyo? Icyangwe kumunzani ugiye kutubwira drip wifunze kuva hejuru kugera hasi, sibyo?
Yeah. Travis Scott.
Yeah.
40K,
yeah.
Jogging.
Yeah.
It's not much.
Yeah.
15K.
Yeah. Sangres, yeah.
7K,
yeah. Down.
My side bag.
Yeah.
20.
Side bag, 20.
Yes.
Down, yeah.
My hair.
Yeah.
For a week I spend 7K because it's my hair.
Damn, you spend 7K per week, man,
yes.
On your hair. Damn, man.
It's enough.
Toto outfit.
Help me.
Yeah. Let me
40.
help you. 40, yeah.
55.
55, yeah.
55 plus 7K.
Yeah.
What do I do?
55 plus 7K, 62.
62.
Yeah.
Plus my hair.
Yeah. 69. Yeah.
69.
Yeah.
Plus my set bag.
Yeah.
69 plus 20. 89.
89.
Yeah.
Spent on your outfit. Crazy, man. Crazy. Cute girl spent 89 on she's outfit, man. Crazy. Alice, mu buzima busanzwe ukora iki?
Ndi umucuruzi.
Uri umucuruzi? Yeah, ufite store yawe?
Yego.
Yeah, babwire store yawe.
Store yanjye yitwa Ali Store.
Yeah.
Ni muri City Tower.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, Alice, ubwira IG?
Yep.
Babwire IG yawe.
Umutoni Alicia 1023.
This cute girl is coming crazy, man. It's your boy Kulikiteng Omejen Chalo. Ndeko to bimbato boto kaboy. Content na indini how much is your outfit from the top to bottom, man. I'm here with, bro.
My name is Wizzy Drip. Yeah.
Wizzy Drip urasa neza byatari.
Yakoze cyane.
Mbwira amafaranga washize kuri outfits yawe, man. Duhere hejuru tugeze hasi.
So nayavamo ni menshi cyane.
Okay, twagiye no drip wayiguza ngahe?
Ngihagaze 10K.
10K?
Yeah.
Your glasses?
5K.
5K?
Yeah.
Man, this you see this fucking ice, man, ice chain, man. Come on, man. How much money spent on this shit, man? 13K.
Yeah.
Damn, man. What's spending the 13K kuri necklace, bro?
Yeah, necklace.
Come on, man. Yeah, twagiye 13K ni iyi ni icyangwe ni imwe.
one ni imwe gusa iyi ngiyi ihagaze 15k
15k.
Oh.
Yeah, twagiye kuri t-shirt
yo ni 10k
10k.
yeah mumboni creativity mboni creativity ni creating zino ball za card to uri kubona gutya.
Yeah, twagiye kuri no bag man.
Christian Dior.
Yeah. You see this Christian Dior, man. How much money spent on this crazy shit, man?
This is na costing 20k.
20k amanyarwanda.
20k.
Damn. 20k amanyarwanda.
Yeah.
Oji kabisa, huh?
Ni 15 Dior.
15k. Dior. Yeah. Twagiye kuri Jordan, man. Come on, man. Twagiye skipping mark FG.
Fifth guy. 15k.
Yeah, twagiye kuri shoes
hagaze 13k.
Yeah. So no tubwire toto outfit man. Uhereye hejuru ugeze hasi wavuze angahe hano
ni 1300 hose
1300 birahura n'ibyo wavuze yeah man ubu 1300 waspendinze kuri outfit yawe man crazy man ufite Instagram babwire Instagram yawe
my Instagram is
Drip Wizzy
yeah
man muze mu following Drip Wizzy
ndabona byose I'm fashion killer
yeah crazy. It's your boy Olenga Omejenjal, Content 90. How much is your outfit, man? I'm here with bro.
Yo, Victor. Vince.
Yeah, Vince, you look good, bro. Yeah.
Thanks, bro.
Man, how much is your outfit from the top to bottom, man?
You wanna know my outfit, bro?
Yeah, reka tubanze duhere kuri no drip, man.
You know drips?
Yeah, washize amafaranga angahe?
No drip, man. I show you 20k, bro.
20k y'amanyarwanda. Yeah, this shit, man. You see, come on, man.
Ino poro man yo. Iyi ngiyo nakaguze gitatu man.
Gitatu cy'amanyarwanda. Oji man. Twagiye kuri necklace man.
Ino necklace yo nta birenze yo ntwaye gitanu cyonyine.
Gitanu cy'amanyarwanda. Man, camera, come on man. Man, umuniga spendinze 5000 kuri necklace urwembe Oji man. Twagiye kuri this jump man.
No jump yo.
Yeah.
Man, ayiguze 18 to
18. You see the shit? Griff man, Oji, bereke fresh, bereke jumper fresh. Oji. Man, cyakoze. Hano twagiye kuri no drip washyize angahe bro?
Boro yose ngiyo niyo yanyishe bro. Isho yo vena ariko nyine numva narahiye man, narahiye se bro.
Damn, 20,000 by'amanyarwanda kuri drip man, crazy nago washa.
Narahiye bro.
Ibori rarenze.
Oji. Yayiwana 20k bro yaratashye.
Yeah, ino ni dulagas. Kwa kangahe nubwo utayambaye
iyi ngiyo ni agacumi ntago zihenze
agacumi kabisa k'amanyarwanda
shaka amanyarwanda
Oji twagiye kuri no drip man. You see the grip, these things man, crazy. Come on man, you see this shit man. How much money spent on this shit man nigga?
Bro, this shit is crazy.
No
boro cyakora cyo nayiduze 12 bro. Naringiye kube iban. No boro nayiguze 12 ariko bro.
Oji 12 y'amanyarwanda.
Nje namini.
Oji. Damn man. Twagiye hano kuri come on man. Jordan man, come on man. Jordan man. Yeah man, ni Jordan babwire.
Ni cactus.
Jordan cactus.
40k.
Travis Scott. Damn man, 40,000 kuri shoes man, crazy man. Damn man, how much is your outfit? Total outfit man.
Wallahi ngiye kubara wallahi
duherereka ngufashe kubara wambwiye gitatu hano gitatu hano kuri iyi boro sibyo? Iyi boro angahe? 20k? Yeah makumyabiri na gitatu 5k mirongo
18
okay 28
no jump ni
18 akakajiri 18 ubwo bikaba ibihumbi man, 54,000 yes, 54,000 twagiye kuri no drip angahe washizeho hano 18 20
nanziko nahiye ariko wewe wayisuta
yo 54,000 kongeraho hano 18 64,000 68 twagiye kuri no drip angahe washizeho kuri no dulag
fashe ni 10
78 twagiye kuri 12 hano bikaba 88 90 bro dushiraho Jordan cactus angahe 40,000 ubwo bibaye 100 nangahe washize kuri outfit 100 ibihumbi 130 washize kuri outfit. Crazy. Umuhungu wa Kigali ashyira ibihumbi 130 kuri outfit.
Shawa mbaye bibaho cyane bro.
Crazy.
Ntabwo nakabije kereka twinjiriye twebwe ducururiza aboro muri.
Viki ugira Instagram man?
Yeah, I got the shit.
Babwira Instagram yawe man bagufollowing.
Roti Victor bro.
Man mu buzima busanzwe Viki akora iki man?
Nje ncuruza icyangwe anga muri chic bro.
Ufite store yawe hano muri chic?
Inshallah.
Babwire bazaze bakurebe nimero.
Wallahi bazatwinjirira.
Babwire nimero bazakwinjirira.
Nimero se? Nimero se waretse nkaza kuzikupitira niki.
Oji, this niggas going crazy. Man, umuniga ashobora guspendinga amadolari 130 kuri outfit, man. Damn! How much is your outfit from the top to bottom? I'm here with bro.
Kelo.
Yeah. Kelo, you look good.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, man. Content you must bayita. How much is your outfit from the top to bottom? Each piece to get the outfit.
Outfit.
Yeah.
Duhere anga.
Hera ku gapfukamunwa bro.
Yeah, gapfukamunwa. Gapfukamunwa ni desa kabisa.
Desa y'amanyarwanda.
Desa.
Oji. Yeah.
Ishati yo.
Yeah.
Ni 20.
Yeah.
20 y'amanyarwanda.
20. Yeah.
Tugiye kuri side bag yo nayiguze 5k. Come on man, yeah. Tugiye kuri penti yo.
Yeah. You look these jeans, look these pants, you look this shit man. You see that design man. Come on man.
Nayo ni 20 tu.
20. Wayiguze. Twagiye kuri shoes. Come on, pit the drip man.
Shoes yo ni 28 tu.
28. Wayiguze. Iye marke.
Jordan 4.
Come on, Jordan 4 man. Damn. Toto outfit man. Ikaduhere ku gapfukamunwa.
Desa.
Yeah.
Teranyaho 20.
Yeah.
Ni na 2 teranyaho is 5k.
Yeah.
22,200 teranyaho iyi ngiyi ya Advent Ep4.
Yeah.
Teranyijeho keshi za 28 biteba 68.
Man, spending ibihumbi 68 kuri outfit man. Crazy. Young rich niggas. Man, tubwire man ukoresha Instagram.
Ndayigira tu.
Yeah. Babwire.
Instagram yanjye ni 21kelo.
21kelo.
Yeah, username.
Your username. Yeah, muze mu following 21kelo. Umuntu gushobora guspending ibihumbi 68. Ibihumbi 68 kuri outfit man. This niggas going crazy. I'm here with bro.
Yeah bro.
Ndi kumwe n'andi muhungu.
Uri kumwe n'umwami w'icyangwe bro.
Umwami w'icyangwe.
Yeah.
Ndakubona. Yeah man, umunsi content ni how much is your outfit man. Aho dufata icyangwe tukagishira ku munzani, tukakibalancinga, tukareba uburemere bwacu. Reka duhere kuri Cape. Washizaho ibiceri bingana gute?
Ashizeho $4.
$4.
Yeah.
$40. Yeah, glasses man.
Glasses is $20.
Yeah. Your necklace.
Necklace is $60.
Yeah, t-shirt.
$4.
Yeah, you see.
$4.
Yeah, jacket man.
Jacket is $90.
$90.
Yeah.
Damn man. Yeah.
Just the pant.
Yeah.
Is $60.
$60.
Catch.
Yeah.
Jordan 5.
Come on man. You see this catch man. Come on man. Jordan 4 man.
Jordan 5.
Yeah. Damn man. How much money spent on?
$90.
$90.
Yeah.
Total outfit from up to down man.
Yeah. $400 bro.
$400 spent on your drip man. Damn man. Come on. Crazy man. Washize ibihumbi 400 ku cyango cyawe. Oji kabisa. Young rich niggas. Man, noneho mu buzima busanzwe ukoresha Instagram bro?
Yeah, ndayikoresha IG.
Yeah.
Amazina ni Olix Designer.
Yeah.
Mu buzima busanzwe ndacuruza icyangwe n'ubundi.
Yeah.
Imyenda n'inkweto umuntu wese arisanga discount muri chic.
Yeah.
D 2017 naho ngaho.
D 2017. Man, muze mugure icyangwe kwa Olix Designer, umuhungu kejeri ushobora guspendinga ibihumbi 400 kuri outfit man. You see? Man, Olix Designer, young, rich,